Goodbye Vlookup, welcome Power Query. Let's assume that we have three tables. The first contains the sales record with product codes and store codes from which they were sold. The second table contains the details of the products, and the third table contains the names of the stores, and you want to have a single table with the information from the three tables. Traditionally, this task can be accomplished using Vlookup as shown below. One drawback of this method is the vulnerability that an Excel sheet with embedded formulas often has. If by accident a formula or the structure of some of the tables is altered, the integrity of the information could be compromised. Now let's see another method. In the Data menu, Get Data, from File, from Excel Workbook, select the file on which you are working and press the Import button. Enable the selection of multiple items to select the three sheets and press the Transform Data button, with which we enter the Power Query editor. Check that all the tables have the corresponding header, go to the Sales table, select the Combine Tables option, and in the dialog box at the bottom select the Product table. In the two tables, select the common column and press the OK button. A new column is created. Press the icon to the right of the column name, leave only the product description selected and press the OK button. Repeat the same process with the Store table. In the Home menu, Close and Load, choose the second option and press OK. Excel by default creates all the tables, but we only leave the consolidated table. To see the benefits of this method, let's make a change in the Sales table by deleting some records and saving the file, pressing Refresh All. Any change that occurs in some of the tables will be reflected in the consolidated table. In the end, you select the method that seems best to you. However, keep in mind which method provides the completeness of information that you require. See you soon.